Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Mecha break, high ping, and packet loss. So first of all, use closest server region. Go to settings, network region, choose the server nearest to your country. For example, Asia, North America, or EU. If there's no server option, use a VPN to tunnel it to your region. Switch to a wired connection. Wi-Fi is prone to packet loss and latency spikes. For best results, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is your only option, sit close to the router and use the 5GHz band. Close background apps before launching Mecha Break. Close apps that use bandwidth. Steam, Epic Hotel downloads, Chrome, YouTube, Netflix, or torrent clients and game launchers. Reset your router, turn off router for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary DNS issues or traffic congestion. Update network drivers, change DNS for speed boost, use a gaming VPN, check game server status, limit bandwidth hogging devices, enable low latency mode in GPU settings, and that's it.